Squarespace store tutorial, how to create online store on Squarespace. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily create an online store on Squarespace. So this platform was created to create websites, and we can easily create our online store for our dropshipping business, for example. So let's get started. Of course, we need to create an account, and in a few seconds we'll come to our dashboard here, and from this page here we just simply need to click on create website in the right top corner, and we'll come to the next page where we need to find the idea for our store. How will it look like? So we can choose some categories, or in my case I suggested to click on skip because we can easily find it a little bit later from all the templates. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates provided by Squarespace. Some of them are free, some of them are paid, so we need to pay for them. We can also divide them into different categories, and of course we can create it from scratch. We'll click on build your own template. We'll come to the next page where we need to create it from scratch. In my case, I suggest you to start with designed templates we can easily use for free, and I have one suitable right up here. And in order to start, we just simply need to hover it and then just simply click on start, and in a few seconds our template is ready to be used as a platform to build our own website. So we need to set a title. Let it be for good CEO, for example, t-shirt store. Let's click on continue, next, and get started. So here we are. In the left side we have our menu for our website. To manage it, we have it's like website stuff where we can manage pages, do some other things. And in the right side we have this editor where we can find some how does it look like now. On the commerce area we can easily interact with our products, with our orders, with our customers, and also we can manage discounts and so on. So on the products page we can find all the stuff, and we can also import or add products to our store. So all we need to do is just simply click on import if you already have Etsy, Shopify, or a big cartel shop, or you can upload CSV file. But in my case I'm going to click on add a product, and here we need to decide what kind of product do we have. In my case I have a physical product, and all we need to do now is just simply add some additional information. So let it be no name t-shirt, and also we need to add an image. So let's try to find something suitable as for us. So yeah, I have this t-shirt right up here. Let's download this image from the internet in order to show you an example. So I'm going to download it and let it be okay, it's web stuff. Let's add this photo directly. So let it be t-shirt. So now we can add an image. I will upload my file, and it's once more. So I'm just simply going to screenshot this stuff. Let's add it from our computer. Yeah, let's click on next, and now we just simply need to add our price, $9.99. On this stock is unlimited, and basically we can add more details now. So all we need to do is just simply add the description here, add some additional information, and now our product is ready to be imported into our Squarespace store. Let's click on save, and then just simply click on save. So now yeah, we have these stuff inside of our products, and as you can see it looks like this. It has its own number or visibility. We can manage it, and we can also view how will it look like on our store itself. Yeah, it looks like this. On the orders area we can manage all the orders we have, and on the customers we can find customer information. They will fill fields will receive this information directly right up here. We can also find some analytics like first time customer, repeat customer, donors, and so on. In order to interact with our design, we just simply need to click on edit here on the page with editor, and we can easily change all the stuff related with our shop. We can change header, main part, we can interact with our products from this page here, and also here on the footer we can add our social medias, Twitter areas, and so on. Nothing hard, as you can see. We can manage items, edit sections, move them if it's necessary, and also we can change styles. For example, we can change color palettes, fonts. So yeah, it's just a quick tutorial of how can we interact with our platform called Squarespace. Let's try to change our font spec. So let's click on switch, and let's say we'd like to use this one here or this one. As you can see, it changes automatically, and sometimes it could be easier to use pre-installed fonts instead of changing something. So we use this one here, and also let's try to change our color palette, maybe to something, I don't know, maybe bright, or let's try to use this one here. Maybe we'll try to switch it to this color palette. So now it looks a little bit better as for me. So yeah, and when everything is done, we can just simply click on save, and in a few seconds our shop will be like updated and published. So now we can go back to marketing, scheduling, analytics, and profile, and yeah, our website is ready to be used. So now we can go to our dashboard by clicking on the icon in the left top corner, and we can visit this website directly here. As you can see, it's all available on the internet right up now. So yeah, in order to add some additional information, for example, payment methods or some other stuff, we just simply need to find it directly right up here, but sometimes it won't be available as for pre-version, so we need to subscribe to the paid plans. And as you can see, we have like 4 plans: personal, business, and basic and advanced for commerce. So if you're interested in creating online store, we need to buy a commerce plan like $27 per month or $49 per month. And if we'll try to compare all of this stuff, we can find, of course, that the higher price, the more options you have, the more features you have. For example, like this one here, and so on. But I think that in order to start with a commerce career, we can easily buy a basic plan of a Squarespace. So yeah, this is a way of how to create an online store on Squarespace. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys. I wish you a very good day.